Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.5 question number 6. Angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square, or PQ square plus RP square PQ square plus RP square is equal to QR square, and RP square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. Let us find. Here you see this angle is 25 degree, this angle is 65 degree, and you know that this is a triangle PQR. Therefore, we'll solve in this way that here you see we will solve this question in this way, that is, in triangle PQR right, in triangle PQR, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, you can say that angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? The reason is that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Therefore, here you see that angle PQR is 25 degree plus angle QRP is 65 degree plus 65 degree plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 65 plus 25, 5 5 10, carry 1 0, 6 1 7 8 9, 90 degree plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. Here you see this angle is 90 degree. Here you see this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And know that the angle opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras, according to Pythagoras, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, hypotenuse square, hypotenuse square is equal to base square is equal to base square square plus perpendicular square plus perpendicular square plus perpendicular 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 square, right? Here hypotenuse QR square, right? QR square, if we say base is anyone in the right, right? That is PQ square plus PR square or RP square. Hypotenuse is QR square, that is QR square square is equal to, let us take base as PQ is PQ square PQ square plus perpendicular square, that is RP square RP square. That means this one is true. Question number 2 is 3 and this is false, this is false. That is QR square is equal to PQ square plus RP square. That is question number 2. Here 2 is true. This is true. And the other two relations are false. Right here, that this one, the first one, it is also false. And this one is also false. But question number 2 is true. This is true. Right? Here you see, we find first the angle of this angle, and we got this angle as 90 degree because the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree, we know. Therefore, this is 90 degree. Therefore, the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse, that is QR is the hypotenuse, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Therefore, QR is the base, QR is the hypotenuse. Therefore, QR square is equal to PQ square plus RP square. This is true, and this one is false, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.